How to create a WhatsApp group on iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a group, add members, and customize the group settings. First, open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Then select New Group. Now, select the contacts you want to add to the group. Once you've selected the members, tap the Next. Enter a name for your group. You can also add a group photo if you want. Once everything is ready, tap Create or the checkmark icon. Your WhatsApp group has now been created. To manage the group, open the group and tap the group name at the top. Here, you'll find options such as group permissions, disappearing messages, chat lock, and other group settings. Under group permissions, you can control whether members can add new people, send messages, or edit the group settings. You can also change the group's profile picture. Tap the group icon, then choose a photo from your gallery, camera, emojis, or stickers, depending on the options available. And that's it. That's how you can create and customize a WhatsApp group on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful WhatsApp and iPhone tutorials.